Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Cleanse to remove oil, makeup, and surface debris so treatments can work. Wet your face with lukewarm water, apply a gentle cleanser, and massage for 30 to 60 seconds. This loosens pore buildup. Once done, rinse thoroughly and use an oil-free makeup remover if needed. Make sure to avoid harsh scrubs because they irritate and enlarge pores. Pat the skin dry with a clean towel and sanitize your hands before touching your face so you don't reintroduce bacteria. Once your skin is clean, exfoliate to clear pore contents. Choose a 2% salicylic acid (BA) product because it penetrates oil and dissolves debris. Apply 2 to 3 times per week, leaving it per product directions. Do not overuse. Before a clay mask, steam your face for about 5 minutes to slightly open pores, then apply a clay mask for 10 to 15 minutes to absorb excess oil. Make sure to rinse gently and follow with a lightweight toner to rebalance the skin. Finish by refining pore appearance and protecting results. Apply a low-strength retinoid at night to speed cell turnover and prevent clogs. Start with 0.25% every third night and build to nightly as tolerated. In the morning, make sure to use SPF 30 or higher because sun damage thins collagen and worsens pore appearance. If you encounter redness, peeling, or increased sensitivity, pause the active ingredient, cut frequency in half, and reintroduce slowly. This troubleshooting prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.